guys, this is my 1.7 liter Aicok electric kettle, and I'm going to show you how it works. See, this is the kettle. It has a stainless steel interior. This here is the pad that you sit it on for it to start getting hot, and at the back of it here there's an indicator light to let you know when it's on and working. I'm gonna put some water in it, and we're gonna put it on, and we're gonna see what it's gonna do here. I just put a little bit of water because I'm gonna make me some tea. I closed it up, and now I'm gonna sit it on the base. I already have it plugged in. So it's on the base, and you just push it down for it to come on. The light comes on, and let's see how long it takes. From what I thought I heard it already. I was gonna say, what? But anyway, it's supposed to be cool to the touch on the outside, and it's supposed to retain heat. There it goes. You hear it? It's already starting to get hot. Wow, that's quick. That is absolutely amazing. Let's see what else it says. Well, I want to look inside, but I don't want to. Can you see the steam coming out right there? Probably hard to see it, but hear it boiling? Okay, I'm going to take it off. The light went off. So there you can see the water boiling inside. Oh, steam got on the camera, but you can see the water boiling inside. Wow. And of course I'm in a cup so you can really see it. It's a box. Okay. I'll close it back. And it has like a little filter in the pouring spout. Yep, it's hot and ready to go. Wow. Well, that is my Aicok electric kettle. I will put information below if you'd like to get you one. I love the way it looks too. Goes great with your decor. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.